Motherhood in the animal kingdom often brings to mind images of nurturing, protection, and care. Many species go to great lengths to ensure the survival of their offspring, investing time and energy to feed, protect, and teach them essential survival skills. However, not all animal mothers fit this nurturing mold. Some species exhibit behaviors that make them seem like the worst mothers in the wild, abandoning or even harming their young in shocking ways. This essay explores the maternal strategies of some of the most notoriously bad mothers in the animal world, examining how evolution has shaped their seemingly callous behavior for survival purposes. Harp seals. Abandonment after weaning. Harp seals are known for their beautiful, snow-white pups born in the cold Arctic regions. For the first 12 days of life, the seal mother provides her pups with some of the richest milk found in the animal kingdom, enabling them to gain substantial weight rapidly. During this period, she is entirely devoted to her pup, but once weaning is over, the relationship abruptly ends. The mother seal abandons her baby on the ice, leaving the young pup to fend for itself in the harsh environment. At this stage, the pup is too young to swim or hunt, and it can take several weeks before they develop the skills needed to survive. Many seal pups perish during this vulnerable time. While this may seem heartless, this abandonment allows the mother to conserve energy for future breeding cycles, a behavior shaped by the harsh conditions of their Arctic habitat. Cuckoos. Master manipulators. Cuckoos are infamous for their parasitic parenting strategy, which can be seen as one of the most selfish and neglectful forms of mothering in the animal kingdom. Female cuckoos lay their eggs in the nests of other bird species, such as warblers, robins, or dunnocks. Rather than caring for their own young, cuckoo mothers trick unsuspecting birds into raising their offspring. When the cuckoo chick hatches, it often pushes the host's eggs or chicks out of the nest to eliminate competition. The foster parents then feed and care for the cuckoo chick as if it were their own, unaware of the deception. While this method ensures the cuckoo's reproductive success, it places the burden of parenting on another species entirely, making cuckoos one of the most neglectful mothers in the animal world. Giant pandas are famous for their adorable appearance and solitary lifestyle, but they have a rather unfortunate reputation when it comes to mothering. Panda mothers frequently give birth to twins, but they almost always choose to care for only one cub, abandoning the other to die. In the wild, it is extremely rare for panda mothers to raise both twins, as they lack the resources to care for two cubs at once. This behavior may seem cruel, but it is a survival strategy. By focusing all their attention on one cub, the mother increases its chances of survival. The abandoned cub is seen as an unfortunate sacrifice in the harsh reality of panda reproduction. The black eagle exhibits a particularly brutal form of bad mothering by encouraging sibling rivalry to deadly extremes. These birds lay 2 eggs, but the first chick to hatch almost always kills its younger sibling, often with the mother eagle watching passively or even assisting by withholding food from the younger chick. This behavior, known as siblicide, ensures that the strongest chick survives, which may seem like a ruthless parenting strategy. However, this is an evolutionary adaptation to ensure that the limited resources available are devoted to the chick with the best chance of survival, especially in harsh environments where food is scarce. House sparrows are small birds commonly found in urban and rural areas, known for their adaptability and resilience. However, when it comes to their parenting style, house sparrows exhibit a degree of harshness that has earned them a spot among the worst animal mothers. If a house sparrow mother perceives one of her chicks as weak or unlikely to survive, she will often abandon it, focusing her attention on the stronger chicks. In some cases, the house sparrow mother may even push the weaker chick out of the nest. This seemingly heartless behavior for house sparrow's mother is an adaptive strategy to ensure that only the fittest offspring receive care and resources, ultimately benefiting the species by promoting stronger, healthier individuals. Hamsters, particularly in captivity, have gained notoriety for engaging in cannibalism, particularly when they feel stressed, threatened, or if they believe their young are in danger. A hamster mother may eat her own babies, especially if she feels that the environment is not suitable for their survival. This behavior, while disturbing to humans, is believed to be an evolutionary tactic to prevent attracting predators with the scent of vulnerable babies, or to conserve resources when the mother is too stressed to raise her litter successfully. Although this practice may seem gruesome, it is a survival mechanism aimed at increasing the mother's chances of future reproductive success in better conditions. Some species of skinks, a type of lizard, are known for devouring their own eggs shortly after laying them. In times of food scarcity, the mother skink will consume her own clutch to recover the nutrients she invested in producing the eggs. While this behavior seems counterproductive to reproduction, it is an adaptive response to harsh environmental conditions for lizard. By consuming the eggs, the skink ensures her own survival, allowing her to live to reproduce again under more favorable circumstances. Burying beetles exhibit one of the more shocking examples of ruthless mothering. These beetles are known for their unique reproductive strategy of burying small animal carcasses to serve as food for their larvae. After laying their eggs on the carcass, the mother beetle carefully tends to her young, but if the number of larvae exceeds the available resources, the mother will selectively eat her own offspring to ensure that the remaining larvae have enough food to survive. This brutal behavior is an extreme form of resource management, ensuring that only a portion of the offspring survive, but do so in a healthy and well-fed state. The animal kingdom is full of diverse and often surprising maternal strategies, many of which may seem harsh, cruel, or neglectful by human standards. However, these behaviors are the result of millions of years of evolution, driven by the need to survive in often harsh and unforgiving environments. In many cases, what may appear as poor mothering is actually a calculated trade-off, aimed at ensuring the mother's survival and future reproductive success. Whether it's abandonment, parasitism, or even cannibalism, these worst mothers of the animal world provide fascinating insights into the complexities of life in the wild.